Tiktuk Masot Hamikra Parashat Naso 7. We'll say a few words about the Birkat Kohanim, which is found in Perek Vav from Pasuk Kaf Bet through Pasuk Kaf Zayin. Two things. First, the end of the first Pasuk, Kotev Arichu B'nei Yisrael, Amor Lahem. Amor Lahem, Rashi mentions, Kemo Zachor, from Zachor Yom HaShabbat, Shamor Yom HaShabbat. Both cases, this is what's called a makor. It is a noun from a verb that's developed from a verb, and it is bisman oveh in the continuing in the current in the present tense. So the word really means amor is lomar, to say or saying. Kemo zachor Yom HaShabbat is lizkor, mentioned always or continually mentioned Yom HaShabbat. Same thing with shamor. They're all considered makor. They're not necessarily tzivui. They're not a command, which is from binyan kal in that case. In fact, if it were, the word would have been written amor lahem, not amor lahem. Amor lahem is a makor, a continuing present tense in the hoveh of the verb, saying or to say. And the other, when you say emor, that is a command. So it's not past, present, future. There's also in Avrit a tzivui, a command. But in this case, it is a makor. Second point that Ramban brings down at the end of his discussion on this pasuk, he says that Bamikdash, he quotes the Gemara Sotah, which is found in Daf Lamed Zayin Amud Bet. There it says, "B'mikdash hayu omrim ota beracha achat ve'ugvulim shalosh berachot." The Gemara over there says that in the Mikdash, Beit Mikdash, the Kohanim read the beracha as beracha achat, one continually with no stops, as if it were one continuing sentence. And at the end, the answer was, the response was Shema Meforash. In Beit Mikdash itself, the Kohanim used to say that. But Bigvulin, outside of Beit HaMikdash, it was stated in three different sentences, the way it's written here in the Torah, and after each one, we answer Amen. But in the Beit HaMikdash, they didn't do that. Now, the only upshot from all this is a little piece where we called today Beracha Mshuleshet B'Torah. Some say Beracha Mshuleshet, but Beracha Mshuleshet B'Torah, why is it considered a beracha that is repeated three times? It's not really it doesn't mean to be repeated three times. It means Meshuleshet B'Torah, that it's in a tripartite beracha. It's in three different pesukim. The beracha is divided into three different pesukim, and that's why it's called Beracha Meshuleshet.